To answer safety interview questions in front of a safety manager, it's important to be prepared and confident. You should have a good understanding of safety principles and practices. This can be achieved by attending safety training sessions, reviewing relevant literature, and researching the organization's safety policies and procedures. When answering questions, provide specific examples to support your answers. This shows that you have practical experience in applying safety principles and can help demonstrate your qualifications for the role. If you don't know the answer to a question, it's better to admit it rather than providing a misleading answer. Honesty is important in the safety field, and admitting your limitations can help you avoid making unsafe decisions. Treat the interview as a professional encounter and dress appropriately. Maintain eye contact, use proper grammar, and avoid interrupting or speaking over the interviewer. This demonstrates a respect and professionalism. Show your passion for safety and your excitement to learn and improve. Share your interest in the field and your willingness to take on new challenges. A positive attitude and a strong work ethic are highly valued in the safety profession. By following these tips, you can improve your chances of success in a safety interview and demonstrate your qualifications to a safety manager. You know very well, training series is ongoing. Safety officer job interview. The most difficult, technical, administrative, or tricky questions usually asked during the interview and their appropriate answers. And this is part 6. So, without wasting time, let's get started. The most important question usually raised from the project team. If you are a safety officer, tell us in what ways can productivity be increased without compromising safety. This is a difficult and a tricky question to answer. As a safety officer, maintaining safety in the workplace is crucial to prevent accidents, injuries, and fatalities. While productivity is important, it should never come at the cost of safety. To ensure that safety is not compromised in the pursuit of productivity, employers must take certain steps or measures. Number 1, employers should conduct regular safety training programs for their employees. These training programs should cover all aspects of safety related to the job and be mandatory for all employees. This will help employees understand the importance of safety measures and how to avoid potential hazards. Number 2, employers should provide personal protective equipment (PPE) to their employees. PPE is essential to protect workers from hazards such as chemicals, electrical shock, and physical injury. Employers should ensure that their employees are trained on how to use the PPE properly, effectively, and safely. Number 3, employers must conduct regular assessments of the workplace to identify any potential hazards. This includes inspecting equipment and machinery, identifying potential risks, and developing strategies to eliminate or minimize them. Number 4, employers should encourage employee involvement in maintaining safety. Employees should feel comfortable reporting any unsafe conditions or hazards they observe in the workplace without fear of retaliation. And number 5, employers should set realistic productivity goals that are achievable without compromising safety. Rushing to meet unrealistic productivity goals can lead to unsafe practices. unsafe acts and increase the risk of incidents and accidents. Overall, ensuring safety in the workplace requires a commitment to creating a culture of safety where everyone in the organization takes responsibility for maintaining a safe working environment. By prioritizing safety and implementing appropriate measures, employers can ensure that their employees can work productively without compromising their own safety. This is a complete and comprehensive answer for this difficult question. Another important question: as a safety officer, how do you handle a safety incident or a near miss in the workplace? As a safety officer, handling a safety incident or a near miss in the workplace is crucial to prevent future accidents and improve safety measures. To handle a safety incident or a near miss, there are several steps that a safety officer should follow. Firstly, the safety officer should respond immediately to the situation. They should assess the situation and provide medical attention if necessary. Secondly, the safety officer should secure the area where the incident or near miss occurred to prevent further harm or injury. They should also remove any hazards and redirect traffic or people away from the area. Thirdly, the safety officer should conduct an investigation to determine the cause of the incident or near miss. They should collect evidence, interview witnesses, and review safety procedures and protocols to identify any contributing factors. Fourthly, the safety officer should analyze the incident to identify the root cause. This will help them determine what corrective actions are necessary to prevent similar incidents in the future. Fifthly, the safety officer should develop corrective actions based on the analysis. These corrective actions may include updating safety procedures, providing additional safety training, or modifying equipment or machinery. And sixthly, the safety officer should implement the corrective actions as soon as possible to prevent future incidents or near misses. Finally, the safety officer should communicate the details of the incident or near miss to all employees to ensure that they are aware of the situation and any changes to safety procedures. Overall, handling a safety incident or a near miss requires a prompt and thorough response. By following these steps, a safety officer can identify the root cause of the incident or near miss and implement corrective actions to prevent similar incidents or accidents in the future. Communicating the details of the incident to all employees is also essential to ensure that everyone is aware of the situation and any changes to safety procedures. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment and share it with your friends and fellows. Today, we are discussing about the safety officer job interview, and this is part 6. As a safety professional, how do you include people from different backgrounds and cultures in safety efforts? Again, a technical question just to check the mindset and response of a safety professional. As a safety officer, ensuring that safety initiatives are inclusive and promote diversity is crucial for creating a workplace culture where all employees feel valued and respected. Incorporating diversity and inclusion into safety initiatives involves several key steps. Firstly, it's important to ensure diverse representation on safety committees, teams, and task forces to ensure that different perspectives and experiences are considered when developing safety policies and procedures. Secondly, communication regarding safety initiatives should be inclusive and accessible to all employees, regardless of their language, cultural background, or level of education. Providing information in multiple languages and formats can help ensure that all employees understand the importance of safety initiatives. Thirdly, safety training and education should be tailored to the needs of all employees. This includes taking into account different learning styles, cultural backgrounds, and levels of literacy. Providing training in multiple languages and formats can help ensure that all employees understand the importance of safety and how to implement it effectively. Fourthly, recognizing and celebrating the contributions of diverse employees to safety initiatives can help create a culture of inclusion and respect. Celebrating cultural diversity and promoting inclusive events can help foster a sense of belonging and unity among all employees. Lastly, providing support systems and resources for employees who may face unique safety challenges can help ensure that all employees feel valued and supported. Incorporating diversity and inclusion into safety initiatives can lead to increased productivity, employee morale, and ultimately organizational success. By promoting diverse representation, inclusive communication, tailored training and education, recognition and celebration, and support systems, safety officers can ensure that all employees feel valued, respected, and safe in the workplace. Another important question: as a safety officer, how do you ensure that safety training is effective for all employees? Ensuring that safety training is effective for all employees is crucial for creating a safe and healthy workplace culture. As a safety officer, there are several ways to achieve this. Firstly, safety training should be tailored to different learning styles. Not everyone learns the same way, so providing safety training in different formats can cater to various learning styles. Some employees may prefer visual aids, while others may prefer hands on training or audio materials. Providing training in different formats can help ensure that all employees understand the safety concepts and procedures. Secondly, safety training should be provided in multiple languages. Employees may speak different languages, so providing safety training in multiple languages can help ensure that everyone understands the safety procedures and concepts. Using real life examples can also help make safety training more relatable and engaging. It can also help employees understand the consequences of not following safety procedures. Thirdly, making safety training interactive, such as role playing exercises, quizzes, and group discussions, can help keep employees engaged and interested in safety training. Interactive training can also help employees retain the safety concepts and procedures better. Fourthly, providing regular safety training and updates can help reinforce safety concepts and procedures. It can also ensure that employees stay informed about changes in the safety policies or procedures. Lastly, measuring the effectiveness of safety training can help identify any gaps in knowledge or understanding. Feedback from employees can also help improve safety training and identify areas that need improvement. By tailoring safety training to different learning styles, providing training in multiple languages, using real life examples, making training interactive, providing regular training and updates, and measuring the effectiveness of training, safety officers can ensure that safety training is effective for all employees. This can lead to a safer and healthier workplace culture, which can improve employee morale, productivity, and ultimately organizational success. Another important question: how do you handle conflicts between safety and operational priorities? As a safety officer, conflicts between safety and operational priorities can arise from time to time. When this happens, it's important to handle the situation carefully to ensure that safety is not compromised. One way to handle conflicts is to communicate with other departments or stakeholders about the importance of safety. By explaining the potential risks and consequences of not following safety procedures, stakeholders may be more willing to prioritize safety. Another way to handle conflicts is to collaborate with other departments to find a solution that satisfies both safety and operational needs. For example, if a safety procedure is hindering productivity, collaborating with the operational team to find an alternative solution that still ensures safety can be beneficial. By working together, a compromise can often be reached that ensures both safety and operational priorities are met. If conflicts cannot be resolved through communication and collaboration, it may be necessary to escalate the issue to higher management. It's important to document any conflicts and decisions made, as well as any communication or collaboration efforts, to provide a clear record of the situation. This can help ensure that the issue is properly addressed and that safety is not compromised. Ultimately, it's important to prioritize safety in any conflict between safety and operational priorities. By communicating the importance of safety, collaborating with the other departments to find a solution, and escalating the issue if necessary, conflicts can be resolved in a way that prioritizes safety while still meeting operational needs. Dear friends and fellows, this was part 6. If you will go through the whole training series related to safety officer's job interview, I hope you can answer any of the questions raised from your interviewer or human resources manager with regards to your role as a safety professional, as a safety officer. Hope to see you soon with part 7 of Safety Interview Training Series. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Wish to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care, good luck, and goodbye.